In this video, I'll be going over point-slope form. So the general formula for the point-slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m, the slope, times x minus x1. So your y1 and x1 are going to be constants, while your y and x are going to be variables. So let's say you need to solve for a line that goes through a slope of 2 and it needs to go through the point 3, 4. So you just plug in the values where they go. So in this case we'll have a slope of 2, so we'll plug in 2 for m. Our x1 is 3 and our y1 is 4. So we'll have y minus 4 is equal to 2 times x minus 3. And now let's say we want to get into slope-intercept form, because right now it's in point-slope form. And slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b. So that means we want to get y by itself. So we'll multiply 2 times x minus 3, so we'll have 2x minus 6 is equal to y minus 4. Add 4 to both sides, so we'll have y equals 2x minus 2. So this would be the line that would go through the point 3, 4 and have a slope of 2. Now let's say we have a case where we're given 2 points. And let's say those 2 points are negative 2, 1 and 3, negative 5. So the first thing we'll do is we have to get the slope of these 2 points. So slope is going to be the rise over the run. So it's the difference between the y's and the difference between the x's on the bottom. So we'll have negative 5 minus 1 and 3 minus a negative 2. And that's going to be equal to negative 6 over 5. So now, with point-slope form, now they have the slope, you just only need to choose one of the points, and then you'll get the line that will go through those 2 points with that slope. So I'll take y, and I'll be using the first point, so y minus 1 is equal to negative 6 over 5 times x minus a negative 2, so that'll be the same as plus 2. And let's say we want to get it to y-intercept form or slope-intercept form. So I'll have negative 6/5 x minus 12/5 is equal to y minus 1. That'll be y is equal to negative 6/5 x minus 7/5. And just to confirm, like, it doesn't matter which point you'll use, I'll go through the same process, but I'll use the other point. So I'll have y minus negative 5, so let's call that plus 5, is equal to negative 6/5 x minus 3. So I'll have negative 6/5 x plus 18/5 is equal to y plus 5. Subtract 5 from both sides, so y is equal to negative 6/5 x, then just have to convert 5 over 5 to, it's the same as negative 25/5. So we'll have negative 7/5, which is the same. So both these are the same, which we would predict. So that would be the slope-intercept form for a line that would go through the two given points.